Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Still Hear Mama Praying. And guys, we are in the key of F. That's by Chester Baldwin. And this song was requested by Vernon Hughes. Thank you so much, Vernon, for this awesome song. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of F. That's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. We're just going to crack our hands. We're going to stretch them out. We're going to wiggle them, right? Get the nerves out. All right, guys, let's receive Chester Baldwin with I Still Hear Mama Praying. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So our intro starts off like this. Let me give you that beautiful gospel intro. We're on the 3. We're playing our F major chord. Going to our 4, that's a G minor chord. Going to our 5, F major chord. 6, we're going to our B diminished 7 chord, and then we're going to our 7, and that's a G minor chord. Then we start the song off right here. I still hear mama praying. Let me give you that. So we start off on our B flat major chord by itself, and that's I, and then we're playing our 1, that's the F major chord. So that's I still hear. And then we're going to our 6. Let me give you that beautiful movement. That's a G minor chord on the 6. Then we're going to our 5, and that's an A minor chord. Mama praying. We're going to our 1. We're going to this G minor chord, and then we're going to the F major chord on the 1. They're doing this beautiful walk up. Let me give you that. So we're on the 3, we're playing our F major chord. We're going to our 4, we're playing this G minor chord. Going to our 5, F major chord. This is a beautiful gospel chord. Guys, you got to grab it. We're on our 2, we're playing this B diminished 7 chord. We're resolving on our 5, and we're playing our C dominant 7 chord. And we just repeat that all over again. I still hear Mama praying the prayer that she prayed. Let me give you that. Into the B flat major chord by itself, going to the 1 F major chord, that she, we're going to our 6, and we're playing this B flat major chord, prayed, we're going to our 1 F major chord, and then we're just going to walk up to our 4. What did I do? So I'm on my 1 and I'm walking up to my 4. I'm going 2, 3, 4. Right there on the 4, we're playing our G minor chord. We're going to our C diminished 7 chord on the 3. Then we're going to our B flat 6 chord right here on the 2. Oh, I still hear Mama praying for me. All right, let me give you that. So right here, we're doing our nice gospel walk up. We're going to the 2. That's a B flat 6 chord. Going to the 3 F major chord. Going right there to the B flat 6 chord again. And we're on the 4. Going to our 5. That's an F major chord. Now we're just going to walk our bass up from the 3 all the way back up to the 5. We're going 3, 4, 5 flat, 5. And we're still on that F major chord. Going to our 2. That's a B diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5. That's a C dominant 7 chord. Going to our 1 F major chord. They're doing this nice turnaround. Very simple. All we're doing is we're playing our 1 and we're playing our F at the top. And we're playing our middle. That's a D and a B flat. Going to an E and a C. Going right back to that D and the B flat. And on a C and a A. So guys, that's the whole beginning. So our verse is doing the exact same thing. There's just a couple of changes here. Let me play the verse for you. We're still doing that same groove. Everything we already learned. That's where it changes up at right there. What is that? So that motif is C, D, F, G, A flat, and it ends on the A. We're playing our chord right here on the F. And that chord is a C dominant 7 chord. So all together it sounds just like this. And when we hit that A, we hit our 1. And then they're doing this nice drop. What am I doing? I'm going 5, 4. We're playing this A dominant 7 chord. And we're just going to walk up to our 6. And right there on the 6, we're playing this F6 chord. And then we're walking up to our 2. On the 2, we're playing our G dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to walk up to our 5. And then on the 5, we're playing our C dominant 7 chord. It's a little augmented chord that I like to do right there. That's an E augmented chord. And then we just repeat. And we do that same thing again. What we learned earlier. Let me give you that. So we're going to our 5. We're playing our E flat 7 chord. Resolve on our 1. That's an F13 chord. Going to our 4. That's a B flat dominant 7. We're going to keep on walking up. Going to our 5 flat. We're playing an A flat diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5. F major chord. Guys, grab it. This is a gospel chord. What we learned earlier. Oh, I still hear Mama praying. Going to our 1 F major chord. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is favor at the table. I remember when I first got married, we were headed out for what was supposed to be the perfect honeymoon. New spouse, new season, big smiles, zero worries. When we arrived, one of our first stops was Paula Dean's restaurant. We were excited, ready to celebrate love, life, and this brand new chapter. We sat down, ordered our food, laughed, enjoyed the moment. Then it was time to pay. I swiped my card, declined. I tried again, still declined. I didn't realize my bank had flagged the charge as unusual because I was out of town. They locked my card right there, on our honeymoon. By nothing but the grace of God and favor, the situation turned around. We ended up eating for free. What could have been stressful became a testimony we still laugh about today. Life lesson. Sometimes what looks like a setback is really a setup for God's favor. When things don't go as planned, trust that God already has provision waiting at the table. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And thank you again, Vernon, for that awesome song request. Please request more. You know what, guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. Yep, and right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yep, you know, they tell me it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit that subscribe and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year, my season. I appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing the music, but you are the music. This is AK signing off.